Hey guys, welcome back for another crazy extreme cleaning video. Today we're going to be tackling this garage because honestly it has my anxiety level through the roof. We're going to be moving some things out back to the storage building and separating for donation and a garage sale. I'd actually planned on having a garage sale earlier in the spring, but due to virus, that didn't happen. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what's going on in your city as far as, are they allowing garage sales now, and what are the rules and regulations? But baby, that's a lie. I'm starting by taking everything out of this little storage room and moving all of the Christmas decorations and tub boxes to the storage building out back. Found another use for my beach buggy. We're taking the lazy way out and using this to move all the tub boxes to the backyard. There's actually no easy way to get to our storage building. You either would have to take the tub boxes through the house, or you have to go all the way around the front, through the gate, and all the way back around to the other side of the yard. So this worked out pretty well. If you watch my closet makeover videos, you saw me moving all of these shampoos, conditioners, soaps, and just all kinds of other things that I had left over from my coupon stockpile. I just wanted to move those out here and get them organized because they were taking up so much space in the house. Now that we've gotten the storage room cleaned out and most of the stuff moved out to the storage building, I'm just going to go through the garage and separate everything for trash, donation, and garage sale.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping downhill. I'm stripping downhill.
I just want to give a huge shout out to Kata because she was a tremendous help throughout this whole process.
This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk.
This was about halfway through the day, and we were getting ready to go to Goodwill and grab some lunch. I know it looks like a complete mess and that we haven't gotten anything accomplished, but we'd actually gotten a lot done.
Strip it down, too.
Now we have everything loaded up that we're taking to Goodwill. It actually took us 2 loads to get everything there, but we made it. And then we have my dad's flowers that go on his headstone, and we're going to stop by there on the way to Goodwill. And now it's time to get the storage building cleaned up so that we can get everything put in here and organized. I don't know if you can see all of that dust floating around in the air, but I'm just going to say that was not good for my allergies, and that door was driving me crazy.
This is how I wish you, babe, that you get the best of
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now.
As I'm stacking these boxes, I'm realizing that about 95% of it is seasonal decor, and I might have a problem. Just saying.
Here in your arms, I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional, it fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush, it overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love, I'm in love, yeah. I'm slipping away, yeah.
Okay, so I have everything in here that I wanted to get moved in here today. After I have my garage sale, I'm going to be doing another purge and putting some more stuff out here. I just kind of want to get that area cleaned out so that I can do DIYs and other projects in the garage.
Wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. But baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control.
After dinner, I decided to come back out and go through everything else that was left. I did end up moving some of those boxes and other stuff out into the storage building. I mainly just wanted to get my toolbox, workbench, and those shelves organized. I was able to get it all done, and I'm sorry guys, but my camera battery died and I didn't get to film it all.
It's out of control, out of control. It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah. Out of control, out of control. Oh, it overflows. Ooh, your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Yeah, it's exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control. Baby, I love the rush. Come on, yeah.
I worked out here really late the night before, so Sunday morning I just got up and finished the last little bit of cleanup, and then I have a final reveal. And we're finally finished. All of this stuff on the right side and the bed, that stuff's going in the garage sale, so hopefully that will all be gone soon. And then that right wall will be clear. all the stuff that's left over there. I'm just going to go through it and see what I want to keep in the garage and what I want to move to the storage building. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.